Guys, I know I haven't been posting lately. It's a few reasons, and I decided to do a voice video for the first time. So, this is a bit different. But I would like to post some non-member struggles on Animal Jam. You're probably like, get a card and go, pay for membership, but some people can afford it, or some people don't have a credit card. Okay, so anyways, before we start this video, make sure you check out my awesome den by my best friend Velvet Wing. I drew this, yeah, and I'm not complete. It's gonna be a full masterpiece, so yeah. Comment down below if you want me to make a video tonight of me getting membership. I'll hopefully film it. But anyway, this first struggle is something we all know when we first log on Animal Jam. Sometimes when you first log on Animal Jam, you want to hide that you're a non-member because so much members like in front of you. That's my first struggle. My second struggle is buying, or like when I go to dress up or change my look, whatever, it always says this item is locked or blah blah blah. And that's two struggles. Another struggle for me is certain things in the den are just horribly hard to choose and go in and other stuff. And pardon me, I am sick right now. So that's one struggle. I am going to be making a video later on about the Animal Jam history, and all my things I need are non-members. I'm doing a collab with my best friend. I'll put her channel in the description, and we are doing a collab about this because struggles for non-members are really rare now. They're like diseases, but not diseases, but you know what I mean, hopefully. Make sure that you go subscribe. This is gotten me literally to the point every time. Non-members and members, it's just crazy. Like, if you think about it, you used to get free membership when like 2020, 2020 or whatever, when the game released. I think it was 2010 or 2011. When the game released, you could get free membership anytime. If I find photos, I'll probably put them in the video, but most likely I won't. But this is the struggle of a non-member members. I regret saying what I said in the other video. I was a member, so I'm stupid. You know, I said giraffes are for non-members. I said, why are they for non-members? Members are better. Something like that. And that's really rude. Now, like when you're actually in the experience and knowing how the experience feels, it's just really different. So I might do my Animal Jam history skit right after this. If you guys could subscribe below, that would be really good. It's knowing that you guys really want to see my videos. Like, it's just a lot to handle right now. Just got to the emotionally point, you know.